Hello everyone. In our last video, we looked at what it meant to divide two numbers. Now we're actually going to look at dividing using our fractions, using what we call our stay, change, flip. So you've got 3 steps to this, really nice and easy. And essentially what we're going to do is turn this into a multiplication. So suppose I've got 5 divided by 3/4. So I've got a whole number divided by a fraction. So again, what this kind of means is how many times can I get 3/4 into 5. So to do my stay, change, flip, what we're going to do is my first part, that 5, that stays as it is. So the stay part is that 5 doesn't change, that stays as it is. Don't need to do anything. The change. Now the change comes in that division. We're actually going to change that to a multiplication. So for the change, we're turning a division into a multiplication. And then my last part, my flip, we're going to flip that fraction that comes immediately after the division sign. So by flipping it, our numerator and our denominator swap places. So 3/4 become 4/3. So that's how I do that stay, change, flip. So 3/4 become 4/3. So 5 stays, division changes to a times, and that 3/4 flips to 4/3. So I've actually turned this into a multiplication. Now, how we calculate this? 5, remember, is just 5 over 1. So if it's an integer, we can always write that as a fraction over 1. So as I calculate this, bringing them together, I've got 5 times 4 over 3. It is 3 times 1, but I know 3 times 1 is just 3. 5 times 4 is 20. That's still over 3. And then writing that as a nice mixed number, I know that's going to be 6 and 2/3. So what that tells me, once again, is I want to try to figure out how many times 3/4 can go into 5. Well, this tells me that I can get 3/4 into 5, 6 and 2/3 times. Let's do the next one. 2/3 divided by 1/4. So once again, our stay, change, flip. So my stay, that 2/3 stays as it is. Don't need to do anything with that.